Are we all ready? Contestants, shall we begin?
Ladies, are you ready?
Let me begin by opening the common question. Ladies, are you ready for your common question? The common question is, should every girl have a boyfriend and why?
Do not start writing yet. Do not start writing yet.
Do you think every girl must have a boyfriend and why?
Girls, are you ready? Okay. Crowd, let's maintain silence for about 2 minutes. After that, you can go wild. Okay, ladies, your time starts now.
Let me repeat the common question. Should every girl have a boyfriend and why? And do you think every girl must have a boyfriend and why? Let me repeat the common question. Should every girl have a boyfriend and why? And do you think every girl must have a boyfriend and why?
Ladies, you have 1 minute left on the clock. Mipiho, lungsetan na Timote. "30 seconds more to go." Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up, ladies. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a round of applause. Come on. The ladies are now requested to come backstage. And to all the music. I am now going to read out the answers written by the contestants one by one. This is for the crowd, for the invitees, for the VIPs, and especially for the juries. I am now going to read out what serial number 17, Nivedita Kongbrai Latpam, has written. Please join me on stage. Listen, she has written, every girl grows into a young lady by proper are shown by their parents. For a girl, her parents are the most important person. A time will come when they will be ready to choose their life partner. When time comes, every girl can have their boyfriend. This is the answer written by contestant number 17, Nivedita Kongbrai Latbam. You may now please go back on stage.
Standing beside me is the beautiful contestant number 6, Danube Kangjam. Let us hear her answer to the common question. Yes, I think that every girl should have a boyfriend. Because it is good to have someone who loves you, someone who supports you, someone whom you can share your happiness and your worries. Thank you.
Serial number 9, Hatneichong has written, personally, I think it is not mandatory to have a boyfriend. For example, like Mother Teresa, she dedicated her life for the people of India and achieved the Nobel Prize. And I think it is not mandatory to have, but also depend on a person. That is her answer. Thank you.
Are we ready to hear the next contestant's answers? Standing beside me is the gorgeous contestant number 2, Nathim Kim Sing Soon. And her answer to the question is, yes, every girl must have a boyfriend because before they become married girls, they look for their perfect boyfriend to be their husband in their future. Thank you. Give it up to contestant number 2, Nathim Kim Sing Soon.
Serial number 5, Tingky Haokip. Serial number 5, Tingky Haokip has written, thank you. Greetings to the Kuki-Chin-Mizo tribe. Happy Kuchibai. In my opinion, some girls are better off with boyfriend and some can bring out their best without boyfriends. So it depends on the girl. Thank you.
Let's welcome our next contestant, contestant number 10, Esther Haokip. And are we ready to hear her answer? Contestant number 10 says, according to me, I don't think that every girl must have a boyfriend. As we know, nowadays, girls are more independent than boys. For a student like me, I don't think it is necessary because it is the time that we take to shape our dreams. Thank you. Thank you to contestant number 10, Esther Haokip.
Contestant number 13, Ipay Wangle Pame. Contestant number 13, Ipay Wangle Pame has written, yes, every girl should have a boyfriend because we girls need love and caring apart from our parents. If a girl has a boyfriend, she can share her burden. That's all she has written. Thank you.
I hope you're not getting tired. Standing next to me is the divine contestant number 7, Nengpilhing Linda Kongsai. Her answer to the common question, are we ready? Is no. It is not necessary for every girl to have a boyfriend Because if we are confident enough to look after ourselves, independent women don't need a man to look after us. Thank you so much to contestant number 7, Neng Nehoy Linda Kongsai.
Contestant number 16, Irene Neihsial. Let's see what contestant number 16, Irene Neihsial, has written. She has written, "It is not necessary for every girl to have a boyfriend because each girl have their own choice and one must not be forced to have one." Thank you.
And the last contestant and our top 10 finalists is the gorgeous contestant number 1, China Kundrakpam. Are we ready to hear her answer? Contestant number 1 says, "No. According to me, every girl should not have a boyfriend, and this goes to a personal matter. Girls can live independently without a boy. Girls can survive and have the ability to stand alone without a boy." Thank you, contestant number 1, China Kundrakpam.